Hello and welcome. My name is Shamim Rashid and I am a Senior Solutions Architect at DigitalOcean. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a powerful AI-driven chatbot to your Concrete5 CMS website using DigitalOcean's GenAI platform. Whether you are looking to enhance customer support, automate lead generation, or engage visitors with personalized recommendations, this chatbot can help. Before we start, here is what you will need. You will need a live Concrete5 CMS website with administrator access to it. You will also need the DigitalOcean GenAI chatbot script that you can get from the GenAI dashboard after creating your chatbot agent in the DigitalOcean Cloud panel. In my screen, you can see the GenAI platform dashboard of my Cloud Control panel. I have already created a GenAI agent and linked it to a knowledge base. Now let us see how to get this GenAI chatbot script from this dashboard. First, we need to open the GenAI agents page and go to the Endpoint tab. In this tab, you can see whether the GenAI agent is public or in the playground mode. In this case, it is in the playground mode. I will need to set the endpoint availability to public. For that, I am going to click Edit and setting the endpoint availability as public. We can now see the GenAI agent chatbot script on the bottom of the screen, which we can copy and keep it handy to use it on the website where you want your chatbot to be available. In my screen, you can see a test website created by Concrete5 CMS, which I will be using for this demo. To add the chatbot to this website, we need access to the theme files either through FTP, SSH, or File Manager. In this example, I am using SSH access. Once you have logged in, you need to go to the folder where you have installed Concrete5 CMS. In your screen, you can see the location where I have installed this. Theme files are located in the folder Concrete Themes, and here you can see the list of themes that I have downloaded for this website. In this demo website, I have used the theme named Elemental. So I'm going to the folder Elemental here, and I need to locate the footer.php file in this theme. So I'm trying to find all the files named footer.php in this location, and I have got the file inside the elements folder. The location of the footer.php file depends on the theme that you are using. So in this case, I'm going to the footer.php file, and in this file, I will need to add the chatbot script that we got from the DigitalOcean Cloud Control panel to the bottom of this file. And I'm saving this. After modifying the footer.php file, I am back at the website again. I am going to reload this, and we can see the chatbot on the bottom right. And it is working. You can further customize the chatbot's appearance, welcome messages, and other settings in the code to match your website's branding. With the chatbot now live, your website visitors will have access to real-time assistance and interactive engagement, helping you boost user satisfaction and conversions. Thanks for watching.